Hi kids, today we are listening the apple story. The story of a sad tree and a great apple. Once upon a time there was a tree who was alone in the garden. No one coming to him to meet. One day he saw a sad boy is coming to him and he sat down in his roots. So he was thinking about him and the boy was thinking, "Oh, I'm too hungry. What did I do?" The tree was listening all this, but suddenly the boy was thinking, "Oh, great tree, can I have one apple?" He just thinking, and he saw. Suddenly he saw a one apple is falling down to him. The boy was too happy to see the apple. He thinks again. He was too happy. And he thinks, "Oh, thanks, great tree. Thank you so much." After that, a lot of children are coming to tree and eating the apple together and playing around him. And he was happy. Children are happy. And you are happy too. Thank you. Keep watching Salma Sketches. If you like this video,
Wow.
share and subscribe.